Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we will show you how to make lemon garlic Greek yogurt chicken, which is infused with all the delightful flavors of the Mediterranean. The Greek yogurt marinade perfectly tenderizes the meat, and the lemon and garlic creates flavor explosions with each mouthful. So are you ready? Let's begin the recipe now. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 to 6 hours to achieve the maximum flavor. You can cook the chicken under the grill, on a barbecue, on the stove, or in the oven like we did. If using an oven, cook the chicken in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken has cooked through. This Greek yogurt chicken was really tender and packed full of Mediterranean flavors. We served the chicken with a cucumber yogurt dip, pita chips, and our garlic roasted potatoes. You can view these recipes at the end screen. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's recipe. And with that, catch you in the next one.